This object contains two different shapes. From one direction, it reads yes. From another direction, it reads no. One solid object, two completely different silhouettes. Objects like this are what I call a dimorph. A dimorph is a solid whose orthogonal projections produce two distinct shapes. A simple example is a cylinder. Viewed from above, the silhouette is a circle. Viewed from the side, the silhouette is a rectangle. Dimorphs use the same idea, but the silhouettes are designed intentionally. The interesting thing about dimorphs is that almost any two silhouettes can be combined. When the shapes are placed at a 90-degree angle, their projections never interfere with each other. Now let's look at how to design these shapes in Tinkercad. The first step is choosing the silhouettes you want the object to produce. You can download and import SVG files, or you can doodle one yourself. Each silhouette becomes an extrusion in the direction where it should appear. For a dimorph, the shapes are placed along orthogonal axes. After positioning the volumes, we combine them and keep only the geometry that satisfies both silhouettes. In Tinkercad, this is done with the Intersect tool. Hit Ctrl-I or select the tool from the group menu. Finally, we rotate the model and check the projections from each direction. Once the silhouettes look correct, the object is ready to print. We can take it a small step further. If a solid produces three different silhouettes, we can call it a trimorph. This one reveals three shapes: a star, an alien, and a heart. In this case, the silhouettes are not placed at 90 degrees, but at angles of about 60 degrees. Dimorphs and trimorphs are based on a simple geometric idea, but the results can be surprising. Thanks for watching.